So we're going to be using, these are just some of the little paper mache eggs from Hobby Lobby. You can use any kind of eggs though. We've got these. They had just the little white eggs from Hobby Lobby, but I've also seen them, you can pretty much find the little eggs anywhere. So we might just be using a combination of them, or you can even use the plastic eggs. So we're going to be using the Totally Dazzled in the Bronze collection, and just a little bit of everything. I have some, you know, this was some tea stained hymnal sheets, just some extra scraps. We're going to be using those. We may be using some little paper flowers. We may be using some napkin to decoupage the eggs also. I'm just going to start with one of our little paper mache eggs, and I'm just honestly just going to probably just start tearing some strips. Okay. So we're just going to start using some Mod Podge. I'm just taking some scrap pieces of a hymnal page, music paper, and we're just kind of going with it. But y'all, look how cute. Isn't that so sweet? But okay, this is a scrap. This, see, I save stuff like this. This is just part of the napkin that we think we'll go with a white egg on this one. And you know, it doesn't, you can just pull off whatever pieces you want. Y'all, look. Okay, so we've got those two numbers. Now, as you can see, I have not tea stained this, but I know y'all have seen me use the Distress Oxide. You can do that with your paper also. So usually you can put up some. I know that sounds crazy, but what happens is it gets in all of those wrinkles and it gives it that old age look when you go back and use the Distress Oxide. So you just take your Distress Oxide and let me show you. See what it does? It just gets in all those creases and grunges that up for you. So I am going to just tear this. Okay. We're just going to start decoupaging this again. See? So see, there's the title of the song where you can actually read it. So we'll wait for that one. Let's get some. This is our Sorry Silk, y'all. So we're just going to add a little bit of hot glue there. Sorry Silk is S-A-R-I. It comes off of Amazon. And I love it. I love it. We're just kind of bringing it around. I just tacked it a little bit. I think I'm just going to, so I just tacked it around the back like so. And then there's a lot of stringy pieces that hang off of this. I'm just going to tie it in a knot. Okay. Y'all look. So there's the sari silk, and we can just put some bling right there. And we're going to be using the bronze collection. Look at this one. I think we're going to go with that one. Oh, look how. So I just layered the white and the yellow. And then I was thinking we could just pop that up at the top there and put some bling right in the center. So look with the little flower at the top. Oh my goodness, y'all, this one is perfect. It's like the shape of those flowers. You can just put that right in the center of those. Y'all, I mean, seriously. Somebody said to put a little bit of gold. So we are, like, very little, very, very little. I'm just barely putting that on my brush. Look, what do y'all think? So here's we just decoupaged pieces of a napkin on here. So, let's see, thinking about going around the egg this way. So like from the bottom up to the top, like so. So kind of trim it long ways. Here we go. And then we've got the little crown. We can use the crown to drop it. So there's that. That's just, again, just to add a little something on there. We're going to add the crown. Look. Look at our little queen bee. I just love the simplicity of that. I kind of like this one in the center. You love it? But I mean, y'all, these are the little tobacco baskets that they have. I like the silver trays, like something like this. Obviously this one's a little bigger, but if you had like a little silver bowl to display these with, again, this is a really, really large bowl for what we're doing here. But I just wanted to give you an idea so I can hold them up there for you to see. Okay. But if you
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.